Adakun naman ibu, galun naman ibay. Biya ofi yagadi sa garbo, adun naman argu jaran. Chamsa dufta mo birra, aya sa wilenko, saya no bori.
Dear listeners of TV Oromo, Magala, Toronto, it is my first time to be on such a public space, and forgive me if I stumble. The ongoing barbaric acts of the Tigray-dominated Ethiopian government against the peaceful protest of Oromo students forced me to appeal directly to all school-age kids of Oromo descent. Dear friends, you may have heard that the Oromos are the largest population in not only Ethiopia but all of East Africa. This large and peaceful population is bullied by the racist and minority Tigray group, which is armed and supported by our own respective governments. Our parents are under tremendous stress between their private life and the killings back home. I watched my sleepless father and my mother gets up early in the morning to go to social media to find out how many more kids are being killed each day. What kind of government kills a grade 9 student? What kind of government kills a defenseless mother who is shielding her own child? What kind of government kills a father of 4 that is hiding a frightened child that takes refuge in his own home? This is nothing but savagery and barbarism on display. We in the West may be busy planning for our winter break, but kids in Oromo are demonstrating for their own survival and existence. These children are our cousins. It is about time we stand up to the tyranny, savagery, and brutality of the Ethiopian government. We can rise up to the occasion and make history. So please let us do the following 3 things. During the winter break, all school-age kids in the U.S. write a letter to President Barack Obama. All school-age kids in Canada write a letter to Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. All the kids in Great Britain write a letter to Prime Minister David Cameron. All the kids in Australia write a letter to your Prime Minister. All the kids in Germany write a letter to Chancellor Angela Merkel. Every kid of the Oromo family in continental Europe, South Africa, and the entire world, please write to your respective leaders. Number 2, after you are back at school, tell the atrocity to your teachers and principals. Ask them for permission and support to explain it to your fellow classmates and schoolmates. Ask your classmates to help you organize an awareness program of the atrocities to your school. Ask all students to join you in a petition to the government to stop the atrocity and help the perpetrators be tried for crimes against humanity. Let us share our information and feedback, and let us create an Oromo Kids media platform. Please, I urge you, let us unite. Let us stop the savagery and barbarism. Let us unite and rise up. Thank you very much.